Hey guys, this is the 29th of June. I'm about to take a buy trade with a 9 lot size. Okay, I want to set my take profit. My software showed me a system B buy scalp trade, so I'm taking that buy trade. Remember, if you want to copy my trade, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. If you want to test the software I use to take my scalp trades, to swing trades, to hedge out my trades. Remember, hedging is the only way and the fastest way you can compound your account because you're not taking any losses. If you want to test this software for 2 weeks, sign up with Milga Markets. Make sure you have at least $100 to $1,000 or to $150. So much money is making. To $150 in your account. Send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. Same thing if you want to copy my trade. Send me proof of your funded accounts on WhatsApp and Telegram, and you'll be added to the group. And you also get the software. If you want to buy the course to learn, I teach my students with live trades, so we're not just wasting our time. Go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market on this trade. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, and we're back. The markets went down to full dumb money, and I was able to take some extra buys. We're getting closer and closer to hitting take profits, getting closer and closer. We're going to make so much more profits than before. Closer and closer and closer. There you go. Take profits hit on over $1,700 made in this trade. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment. Remember, if you want to copy my trades, if you want to test the software, fund your account, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. If you want to learn how to do this, we've made over $16,000 profits in less than 3 months scalping this account. If you want to learn how to do this, get the software and also copy my trades, sign up with Milga Markets, fund your account, link in description below, and go to hedgingmastermind.com, where we'll teach you live how to hedge your trade so that you take no losses and you can compound and grow your account fast. And we teach you live how to scalp trade and swing trade. Go to hedgingmastermind.com, send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram with proof in order to test the software for 2 weeks for free. And we'll be right back when we're in with another trade in markets, when we're into profits also in the future. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you click the subscribe button and click the notification bells and comment. We'll be right back soon.